In this video, we're diving into Kurt Cobain Shows Up. Whether you're new to AI or looking to deepen your understanding, this breakdown will give you everything you need to know. First, let's establish the basics of Kurt Cobain Shows Up. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial before you move forward. This sets the foundation for everything else in this video. Next, we'll look at the practical applications. How does Kurt Cobain Shows Up actually work in real-world scenarios? This is where things get interesting, because you'll see exactly how this applies to your own work and projects. Finally, here are some key takeaways about Kurt Cobain Shows Up. The most important thing to remember is to start experimenting. You'll learn best by doing, so pick one aspect covered in this video and try it out. That covers the essentials of Kurt Cobain Shows Up. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more deep dives into trending topics. Let me know in the comments what aspect you're most interested in exploring further.